The Yamaha MT-02 has officially been unveiled, marking a significant addition to Yamaha's iconic Master of Torque MT lineup. Designed to cater to both beginners and experienced riders, the MT-02 combines aggressive styling, advanced features, and performance that reflects Yamaha's commitment to innovation and quality engineering. At the heart of the MT-02 is a newly developed lightweight engine, which strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. The displacement and specifications have been carefully designed to make the bike approachable for newer riders while delivering enough performance to excite seasoned enthusiasts. Yamaha has also incorporated their cutting-edge fuel injection and variable valve actuation systems to ensure smooth power delivery and exceptional fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for urban commutes and weekend rides alike. The design of the MT-02 is unmistakably bold and aggressive, taking cues from its bigger siblings in the MT series. The sharp LED headlamp setup, muscular tank shrouds, and minimalist rear design give it a Streetfighter stance that demands attention. The ergonomics are rider-focused, with a slightly upright riding position that ensures comfort without compromising on the sporty feel. High-quality materials and precise fit and finish further enhance its appeal. Yamaha has equipped the MT-02 with advanced features to meet the expectations of modern riders. The bike boasts a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all essential information at a glance, including gear position, fuel level, and customizable display settings. Safety and handling are addressed with features like dual-channel ABS, a lightweight chassis, and optimized suspension setup, offering riders a confident and enjoyable experience on various terrains. The unveiling of the MT-02 also emphasizes Yamaha's focus on making performance motorcycles more accessible. The brand has hinted at competitive pricing, ensuring the MT-02 delivers great value without cutting corners on quality or performance. With a variety of color options and customization accessories available, the MT-02 allows riders to personalize their machine to match their style. In summary, the Yamaha MT-02 is a versatile and stylish addition to the MT family, designed to cater to a wide range of riders. Its combination of innovative features, dynamic performance, and striking design makes it a strong contender in the entry-level performance bike segment. As Yamaha continues to push boundaries in motorcycle design and technology, the MT-02 stands as a testament to their dedication to delivering excellence in every ride.